Okay guys, so last year and I think a little year before, I didn't really produce enough grapes. It came in very scarce, very little. And this year I wanted to make sure I produce some grapes on this huge grapevine tree here. It grows like crazy. The leaves grow like crazy, but if you don't really take care of it and kind of not nurturing it, not giving it fertilizer, it will not produce great grapes. So this time I went and got some fertilizer and I see that it is doing its job, because check this out. You see, that's where these are going to be like red purple grapes. So to start, you see them in here, you see them in there. So they're growing, they're coming along, guys. So I'm gonna keep on using that fertilizer. It's an actual fruit fertilizer, specially made for fruit. All right, guys, so here is the passion fruit. Now, I don't recall if you guys remember when I brought the passion fruit, they were very small, like literally very small, maybe the size of my hand. I had 2 of them. This side ended up growing crazy, and then it ended up dying. And then I thought this side would die, but it ended up going crazy strong. Check that out. This thing grows, wow, it's actually starting to grow on top of the man cave, so I'm gonna have to cut all of that off. But guys, passion fruit is very easy to take care of and to maintain, a lot easier than the grape vines to me, but super easy. I may water it maybe once in a great moon. It actually just grabs the water from the earth, but I water it maybe once every week, maybe even sometime 2 weeks, and it still produces. So check this out. So what it does is, it's like this. It has flowers. It starts off as flowers, and then they start opening up. And look, that's the passion fruit. That's the passion fruit, guys. So then it starts getting bigger like this one. And once this thing gets like purple and like a deep purple color. Now there's different kinds of passion fruit. I forgot the name of mine, but mine gets purple. I mean, look at that beautiful flower. There's a bee in there too. Look at that beautiful flower. Gorgeous flower. But mine gets purple. A lot of times when they drop, you know they're done. But when they're purple, you can actually take them off and set them aside until they're fully done. And if you haven't had passion fruit before, it's super good. It's like a sweet sour taste. A friend of mine just made some curd with it. I gave her some passion fruit and she made some curd, and it was the bomb. Tastes great, like on ice cream or pound cake or anything you like. So it's a great dessert. I've also had passion fruit drink as well, and that was super good. But this thing, like I said, can grow like a monster, so you have to make sure you keep cutting it. I'm a little behind on cutting this because it will grow up against anything you put it on.